2 response conversations. Did you wash your hands? Yes, don't worry. Did you wash your hands? Not yet. Have you tried the new soda flavor? I did. It's refreshing. Have you tried the new soda flavor? I did. It's too sweet for me. Would you like some tea? I'm okay, thanks. Would you like some tea? Does it have caffeine? Where did you go yesterday? I was home all day. Where did you go yesterday? I went to work. Did the mail come today? No, it didn't. Did the mail come today? I'm not sure. I haven't checked. Can you ride a bike? Not very well, but I can. Can you ride a bike? No. Will you teach me? Are you there yet? Not yet. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Are you there yet? Yes, I've been here for 10 minutes already. Hello, are you open today? Yes, we are open until 10 o'clock. Hello, are you open today? I'm sorry, we're closed today. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog and a cat. Do you have any pets? No, I'm allergic to pet hair. Excuse me, do you sell batteries? Yes, they're in the back of the store. Excuse me, do you sell batteries? No, we don't. Sorry. Oh no, I broke my glasses. Oh, that's too bad. Oh no, I broke my glasses. Don't worry, they can be fixed. Can I pay with credit card here? We only accept cash. I'm sorry. Can I pay with credit card here? Yes, credit card's no problem. Is this cheese still good? It looks expired. Is this cheese still good? Yes, I think it looks fine. Have you been to France? No, but I really want to go skiing there. Have you been to France? Yes, I have. I love the food. Let's eat. Are you okay with Chinese food? Sure, as long as it's not spicy. Let's eat. Are you okay with Chinese food? Actually, I prefer Western food. What do you do for a living? I'm in marketing. What do you do for a living? I'm in recruiting. What are you doing this afternoon? I'm going to clean the fridge. What are you doing this afternoon? I'm going to sweep the floor. I'm not sure how to get there. Can you send me the location? Sure, I'll send it on Google Maps. I'm not sure how to get there. Can you send me the location? Sure, I'll send the address. My back hurts. You should try stretching. My back hurts. You should see a doctor. Hey, thanks for helping me today. Glad to help. Hey, thanks for helping me today. You owe me one. Do you know where the nearest convenience store is? Yes, it's down the block. Do you know where the nearest convenience store is? Yes, turn right at the traffic light and it's on your left. Did you remember to bring sunscreen? Oh no, I forgot. Did you remember to bring sunscreen? Yes, I already put some on. My pen's run out of ink. Here, use my pencil. My pen's run out of ink. You can borrow my pen if you like. I have a headache. You should drink some water. I have a headache. Would you like a painkiller? Is it okay if we eat on the bus? We'd better not. Is it okay if we eat on the bus? I think it's fine. Thank you for dinner. It was my pleasure. Thank you for dinner. Don't mention it. How have you been lately? I've been busy, but I'm good. How have you been lately? Not so good. I've been busy and stressed out. Which floor is the doctor's office on? It's on the 6th floor. Which floor is the doctor's office on? It's on the 9th floor. Do you have a phone charger? Not on me, sorry. Do you have a phone charger? I do. What kind of phone do you have?